Today, let's explore how Qlik AutoML and Data work seamlessly together to make predictive analytics easier than ever, using Netflix movies as our example. Let's dive in. To save time, I've already filtered the app to focus on movies available in specific regions and genres. Here, we're looking at the movie Sin City, released in 2005. While Sin City already has an IMDb score in reality, the model doesn't know this and treats it like any other new movie, predicting its score based solely on the available data. When I click the AutoML button, the model predicts an IMDb score for the movie based on these features. To see how accurate this prediction is, I can reveal the actual IMDb score by clicking the IMDb button in the table header. But let's dive deeper into why the model predicted this score. By clicking the SHAP button, we can explore SHAP values. SHAP values measure the impact of each feature on each prediction. Here, we can see that the number of awards received has the largest positive impact, while the plot summary has a smaller but still meaningful influence. SHAP values make the model's predictions transparent and explainable. Now, can we improve this prediction? One way is to provide a more detailed plot summary. By clicking on the movie image, I can navigate to its IMDb page. Grab a more detailed story description and paste it back into the app using the Data Writeback extension. With the updated data, I retrain the model by clicking the AutoML button again. The prediction adjusts dynamically based on the enriched information and is now even more accurate. Let's revisit the SHAP values. As expected, the SHAP value for the plot summary has increased, meaning the additional context provided by the extended description improved the prediction. This process highlights how Qlik AutoML simplifies machine learning, how SHAP values make predictions interpretable, and how Data facilitates real-time data adjustments within the Qlik platform. If you're curious about leveraging these tools for your business, reach out to us today. Predictive analytics has never been this simple or this powerful.